Katie Cat 26, some beers and hobbies. And here we are at night. And we want to see the ghost of Casimir and the forgotten prisoner all lit up. So here they are. They're all lit up. That's what they look like. Somebody had requested this video, so I'm accommodating them. I suggest trying to put a light in the head of the Casimir. This guy right here on the right. The light is in his chest. I could have fed it up a little bit further into his head. So thanks for watching. Have a great day and give me the thumbs up if you so choose.